So I just, oh wait, do I look stupid? I just spent all day making these kick-ass axle saddle mounts for the lowering kit, basically, because when you lower it, that thing is on the top still. I've just been grinding until they fit flush, and boy do they fit flush. A nice seal. So what I'm gonna do is I gotta install these. I gotta use both hands. I gotta lift the axle up, slide these in, and then put them down. I drilled the holes for the nipple thing, the titter on top of that lowering block, and yeah, and then I could put the back suspension back together.